Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 15 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options, and just swipe up to turn off your device. Now when the device turns off, again you're going to hold power button and volume up. And you can let go of the power button when you see the device starts to boot up, which will show up with the Mi logo on the screen. There we go. From here, using volume buttons, you want to select wipe data and then confirm it using your power button, and then wipe all data and confirm. Now this process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set on your device, and you don't need to confirm it here or anywhere else. It just kind of resets it, and from there we're gonna press power button to reboot, and reboot to system, and this will reset the device. And when it's finished, your screen lock will be removed, so will all the other data though. Now additionally, if you also had a Google account signed in on the device, chances are you will need to verify it while going through the setup process. You'll have two options, either the screen lock that was used or the Google account, so you can use either one. But anyway, I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.